Hey y'all, it's Quijuandas. Welcome back to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you're new, please consider subscribing and tap the bell to be notified every time I upload. Today, I will be showing you how I achieve these jumbo knotless box braids. This is my first time attempting knotless box braids, so this technique is beginner friendly. And if you're interested in the process, keep on watching. So I'm going to start by showing y'all my sectioning. Big shout out to my husband for the straightish parts. You did good, boo. I have 3 rows at the back of my head. The last row has 2 sections. The middle row has 3 sections. And the first row also has 2 sections. At the front of my head, I have 4 rows. I have 2 rows on each side that contain 2 sections each for a total of 15 braids all over. Now let's get into the actual braiding process. Here's a clip of what I used. You're going to need braiding hair, of course, edge control for smoothing. I'm using Shine and Jam and a crochet needle. I've already done the very back of my head, so I'll be demonstrating on the front, but no worries, the process is the same. Here I'm just showing y'all how much hair I use for each braid. I can't quite yet grasp the hand coordination when starting off knotless braids, so the crochet needle is what makes this beginner friendly. I'll link the video I got this technique from in the description box. First, I'm going to insert the crochet needle through horizontally to feed the hair through from side to side. Then I insert the crochet needle through vertically to feed the hair through from top to bottom. And the crochet needle can only hold so much hair, so I feed the hair through a little bit at a time to keep the clasp from opening and potentially snagging my real hair. After feeding the hair through, I combine the braiding hair I crocheted from the top to my natural hair. These are my 3 braid sections. I add jam to better blend my hair and make for a smoother braid. Then I proceed to braid the hair all the way down, and I feed in pieces of hair when necessary. Again, I insert the crochet needle through horizontally and feed the hair through from side to side. Then I insert the crochet needle through vertically to feed the hair from top to bottom. Add jam to better blend my hair, and proceed to braid all the way down. Now I'm going to finish braiding up the rest of my hair while demonstrating the process, and I'll follow up at the end with my results. didn't show y'all the ends of my braids throughout because I wasn't sure what I wanted to do with them yet. These braids were very heavy, so I decided to cut the braids even shorter than what you see here and burn the ends for an old school 90s feel. But you can leave them straight or curl them if you choose to. Anywho, that's all I have for this video. I hope this beginner-friendly jumbo knotless box braids tutorial was helpful. Leave any questions you have below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with all your people. And until next time, I will talk to y'all later.